Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for Application series that is running into my channel. So friends, in my previous video we have showed how to loop through all the rows in a column, and today in this video we are going to learn about the VBA code that will loop through all columns in just a single row. So let's write and run that code by going through Developer tab and Visual Basic. Insert new module here. I will give you the link of downloading this workbook into the description box. Please check that. Now here we are going to use the public sub procedure type public sub and following the sub procedure name. I am naming it as loop through columns, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now it's time to declare our variables. By using dim, I am declaring cell as my variable and the type of this variable will be as range, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now we are going to use the for each loop into this VBA code. Now type for each cell in range. Now we need to select our range, and our range will be every columns in a single row, right? Open the bracket and open quotation, type 1:1, that means we are selecting number 1 row only. Close the double quote, close the bracket, hit enter, indent your code by pressing tab. Type if cell dot value. Now your cell value should not be empty. To give such as statement, we are going to use the lesser than symbol, greater than symbol, then an empty string by using open double quote and close double quote, right? Now type then, it will show an message box, msg box, cell dot address, ampersand symbol, open double quote, type colon, space, close the double quote, again ampersand symbol, type cell dot value, hit enter, unindent your code, come to the next line, type next cell. Now that's all, your code has been completed successfully. Now let's run that code, and what the result will be by running this code, it will show every cell value and cell address into the message box, right? Let's close this Visual Basic editor. Now suppose we have a data into our columns of row number 1, right? 1, A, B, V. We are leaving the D1 cell as empty to test our code. Now here type 55, anything, any value you want to test, right? Now let's run our code. Go to the Developer tab, click on Macros, select the created code and click on Run. Look at here. In the A1 cell, the value is 1, it's right. Click on OK. Look at here, B1 cell, the value contains as AB, it is absolutely right. In C1 cell, it contains V, that is right. D1 doesn't have any value, so this code skips here. It is showing the E1 cell that contains a value of 55. Click on OK again. In G1 cell, its name. So that's all for today friends, hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.